Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yaaay for the yaaay and we're going to be doing a DIY. These flowers were made from POP, that's plaster of Paris, and a mold I got from AliExpress. So if you want to see how I made these beautiful flowers from plaster of Paris and a mold, stay tuned. What we'll need for this DIY is a mold that I got on AliExpress, an empty bowl, water, 1 part water, and 2 parts POP powder, 1 part glue to make our awesome flower.
A few moments later.
So we left it to dry for at least a day, and I got this very pretty looking flower. Yes, it looks like a Tyrannosaurus fossil right now, but I'm going to paint it with this shiny stuff. And this was what you can finish it off by putting it on your walls, or like making a lot and putting it on your walls, or just making a small frame out of it for your family portrait or something. Now that I'm done with her, I'll do her in some red and glitter, and then her in pink, peach, and some glitter. Alright, so this is what it looks like painted with nail polish and glitters. Aren't they so gorgeous? Oh my. Alright, that's all for today's DIY. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with every single person that you know. Alright, see you in the next video, everybody. Bye, 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 bye. They look so yummy.
Okay, take care. Bye. Bye.